So in this chapter, we are already learned about basic formulas and compound formulas. Yes, yes,
Yes,
my dear
sir.
student. Yes. So now today I will discuss some examples of the basic formulas and compound formula. Okay. Okay.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Look here. Look here, dear students. How to be write any formulas? How to we do any formulas? Okay. So today I will discuss. Just wait, wait, wait. Just wait, student. Yeah. Look here. Everyone, look here. Dear students, look here. Oh, Excel. Okay. Rows and columns are there. All of you seen? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, look here. In Excel sheets, many rows and columns are there. So I am drawing here. Here given A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay. Here one,
Yes.
two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, dear student. So this
Yes.
is your Excel sheets. This is your Excel sheets. Suppose in Excel sheets, dear students, here written 50, 20, 40. Then what is the total? How do we got total? Here written total. So how do we got total? So if you want to got total, if you want to result here, then how do we write formulas or how do we add? Listen, very easily method we will add. So in this cell, All of you know now, all these parts is the cell. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. Intersection of rows and column, it is called cell. So dear students, here what is the name of this cell? A1. Okay. What is the name of this cell? Anyone say?
A1.
What is the
A1.
yes? Tell me. No, no, no. Anyone more? What is the address of this cell? Here given
7.
E and here 7. So this cell address is E7. Okay. So if you want to got total, then I am writing here, but you think in this cell, okay? Because cell is very small, so I am writing here. First write equal, okay? After write equal, put the cell names here B2, B2 plus B3 plus B4. Okay, dear students,
Yes, sir.
and then press enter key. Your total will come here. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir. No,
Otherwise, you will select from here to here. After selecting here to here, then you will go in these symbols given in Excel sheets. These types of symbols, and here is triangular symbols. So if you will click on the triangular symbol, then one dialog box appear there, and here written auto sum. So if you will click on this, then automatically here result will come. Okay, what will come?
Result.
110.
sir.
Yes, 110. So in this cell. Any problem, dear students?
No,
Sir.
sir.
All of you understood?
Sir.
Yes,
Yes, very good. Very good, my dear student. Okay, dear students, suppose anyone given more marks. Suppose here Hindi marks. Hindi. Here given 20, 30, 40, 50. And here name is name here name is A B C D. Okay, name
yes,
is
sir.
A B C D. Here given English marks 30, 40, 50, 20, and here is total. So how to be got total in this cell? How to be got? Anyone say me? First we will select the cell range from here to here. Okay. After selecting, then we will write equal sign. Here we will write equal sign, and what is the cell address? D2. Write D2 plus E2, and then press enter key. So suddenly after press enter key, suddenly answer will comes 50. Okay.
Yes, yes, sir.
Ready method. All of you dear students. Okay. Okay, dear students. So Now we will discuss about. Now I will discuss about using text formula. What is the topic's name?
Using text
Text
for
formula.
Dear students, here given text formula means we will add here text. We will add here text. But
Text.
how to be add text? So look here one example. First, look here one examples. Already example. Okay, okay. Look here. Look here, dear students. In your book, all of you see
yes, sir.
what is written there.
We
Using text formula, we are using text formula for the adding the text. Okay, so dear students, here written we are using text formula written now. All of you seen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. So how to we add all text together? So if you want to add, so first you will select the cell. So here is I am selecting here the cell. Okay, this cell. Your cell name is B2. Okay, okay, dear students. So right
yes,
here
Okay.
equal sign. After right equal sign, where to where you want to add. So we will use text formula from here means A2. This is the A2. Okay. What is the cell address name of this A2? Any problem?
No, sir.
no,
So here we are writing A2, and after writing A2, one symbol is given here. This symbol's name ampersand symbol. What is the name of this symbol?
ampersand.
Ampersand. Okay, okay, ampersand. So
Yes, sir.
A2 ampersand, and here R here given means A3. So put A3 ampersand A4 ampersand A5 ampersand A6 ampersand. Any problem, dear students?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So after writing this formula, if you will press enter key, then result automatically here comes. In what is the result? We are using text formula. Okay, means all text come together in one line. Any doubt, dear students?
No,
No, sir.
sir.
Yes, very good. So, using text formula, all of you understood why we are using text formula?
Yes, sir.
Why we are using text formula? We can add two strings together and no other operations is permitted with strings value. So ampersand symbols is used to perform concatenations of strings, adding of two or more text value together. It is called text concatenations. Any problem there, students?
No,
Good.
no.
So all of you understood how to we add
Yes,
text? Yes. So dear students, here one things is given. String value. What do you mean by string value? Here string. So what do you mean by string value? A string value is also known as string text strings. Okay, okay, dear students. Means what do
Yes.
you mean by string value? So a group of characters that are used data in a spreadsheet program. A group of character, we are already using a group of characters now. Yes,
Yes, sir.
so of characters. If anyone say, what do you mean by string value? So you will say a group of characters that used data in a spreadsheet program. It is called a string value. So string value is also known as text string, or simply we are saying text. Okay, dear students.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Any problem?
No, sir. Sir.
Very, very good. Next, dear students, but look here. Here is examples given. We are using text formula. All are the together. Yes, without any space. All text come together without any space. But if you want to got the result with a space, then how it is possible? So look next examples here. One examples also here given. Look there. All of you seen?
Yes, sir.
So look here, students. If you want to got examples between two text, then how to we create a space? So we will use double quotation marks between ampersand. Okay, we will use double quotation marks between ampersand. Look here. Here given a2 equal to a ampersand, है ना? And then here double quotation marks, again ampersand, again we write a3 ampersand, है ना? Double quotation marks ampersand a4 this way. Yes, yes, dear students.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Any any problem here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir.
Suppose, okay, look here.
Sir.
I am writing here one examples. Suppose I am writing here this is your Excel sheets. Here given A, B, C, D, E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. Okay. Here written, dear students, I am a good boy. Given now, all of you seen.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So if you want to got result in this cell, then how to we write? First we will write equal sign. Okay. Equal sign. If you want to got result with a space, then first we will write equal sign. And then what is the cell address of this? A2. And then we will use ampersand symbols, double quotation marks. Okay. again ampersand, and then what is the cell address here? A3, then again ampersand, double quotation marks, and here one more ampersand, and then A4, ampersand, double quotation marks. Again we will write ampersand A5, ampersand, double quotation marks, ampersand A6, double ampersand, double quotation marks. Okay, okay, ampersand here givens. Okay, and then press A where you want to got the result. Oh, here is complete now. Here is completed, and then press enter key. Okay, dear students, then press enter key, then all results come together with a space. What will comes? I am a good boy. Okay, any
Yes, sir.
problem?
No. No, sir.
So I think all of you understood how we write, how to we use ampersand, how to we use text formulas in Excel sheets. All of you understood? So,
Sir.
dear student, in this chapter we are already discussed first basic formulas, second compound formulas, and third we are today I am already discussed using text formulas. Discuss on? Yes.
Yes, yes, sir.
Any problem here, students?
Sir.
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Arpit, any problem?
No, sir.